the burnout and here आज का न्यू ईयर एक दिन बाद after a day how does it feel your happy new year. So let us discuss today about we are continuing with the burnout and its several nuances that it works on our mind, right? You were what was lighting you up, enlightening you up, lighting you up, stopped long ago. So when did responsibility in your life replaced excitement in my decisions? Ask yourself that. What passion did I quietly label unrealistic? We have given up on our dreams thinking that those were not realistic. Am I busy or avoiding what truly matters? Why? Because we think we don't have the required knowledge. What part of me went silent to stay safe? If I stopped proving myself, what would I return to? So these questions again to depend your present circumstances with your idea of burnout. How do you still think about burnout at the moment? Remember, you have kind of lost touch about your dreams. So that is why we are concerned. Because unless dreams are there, अगर तुम सिंधु लाने का सोच रहे हो तो ये भी do you agree with me on that? So it doesn't come back within a second or within a day. It might take some more deeper reflection. So let us do that deeper reflection. Maybe you find your dreams back. I'm Samhita. I work on significance. So that is why I am asking you to take a deep dive inside. And if you find things to be very confusing, come back to my Sunday session where we'll be discussing this. So for now, remember what lit you up. Create that inner safety by closing your eyes gently. No fixing, no achieving, no becoming right at the moment. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it through the mouth. Again, inhale, letting the body know it is safe now. Exhale, allowing effort to soften. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench the jaw. Unhook the breath from urgency. Be slow with your breathing. You are not behind. You are arriving. Why? Because awareness is you are returning to, which is actually the cost of adaptation. When you adapt to the requirement of another person, losing touch with your inner self. Bring your attention to your chest, right where expectation lives. Notice any weight you have been carrying, roles, responsibilities, unspoken shoots. I should be doing this, I should be doing that. Very attached to social etiquettes. Giving yourself a secondary role in all that you want. Maybe that was your case. Right now, it is time to just become aware of all those. You didn't choose exhaustion, you adapted. Your system learned, this is how I stay relevant. This is how I stay dependable. This is how I stay needed. And silently, passion waited. When will you give me time? Let that truth land without judgment. Inquiry, the quiet question. Now, gently ask yourself, when did I stop listening to what lit me up? A sensation, a feeling without words. Your dreams didn't disappear. They went quiet to protect you. Stop there for a minute. Be there and see yourself. From that point, still, place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Slow the breath until the heart and mind begin to match rhythm. In this coherence, imagine releasing in belief. I must earn permission to live. See it dissolve, not dramatically, but softly. Quantum truth, change begins with state, not struggle. As your nervous system settles, imagination starts to breathe again. Reconnection, remembering without pressure. Now, allow an image to arise. A moment when time disappeared, when curiosity felt natural, when contribution felt joyful, not heavy. You are not going back. You are remembering forward. Say silently, I am allowed to evolve without abandoning myself. Revitalize integration, inner alignment. The method that you will get from us is let these words ripple gently through you. Resilience is I release survival led choices. Vision is I remember who I was before urgency. Time management is I move from reaction to intention. Acceptance is I honor my evolution. Legacy I design beyond titles. Expansion I serve without shrinking. Notice how your body responds when alignment replaces pressure. Green wealth, the vision that I have, which I want to be your dream as well, and you be partner with me in creating this green wealth, is a new relationship with abundance. There is a now sense of abundance differently. Not hustle, not proving, but green wealth. Calm, conscious, regenerative. Wealth that grows as you grow. Wealth that funds learning, impact, and community. Wealth that doesn't cost your nervous system. Let this new template settle into your cells. Completion, gentle throne, return. Take one final deep breath. Feel grounded, unrushed, cool. When you are ready, open your eyes. carrying with you this truth. Your dreams didn't leave. They were waiting for safety, and now you are creating it. So, if you can look at yourself for a second, it is your passions which you have left behind, but take them a chance, give them a chance to reappear again and reappear to build a green legacy, which is the need of the hour as well. And see you on the Sunday call at 2 p.m. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching.